की खूबर का बातें सी टीवी रखे का फ्रैंक यामाहा खटन रेउसनम या गजिंग शक्री गजोंका बदन आयस ngो भाषा बारो की नोंग थे थुक थुक रिंगकट का कबुक शेयर बन लोंग की नोंग जॉब या संतली की लैपटॉप कने का ऑफर kan kut ha ka live hoteri unai luar R1000 pusau
rakam sangma beri menteri sarkar bapak ketnat puli puthi ulapan pau bagi tu ki beri ki bertemu ban pelong daka gau dhwaj thapana Bharat Yatra bat ru ban pen banai sindan ya Masi kum ka kemie jongkeri India kim dan hok ban long ki nong shong snong jongkeri India habe kran bagi lap thai kubor rakam sangma ulapan pau bagi ni ki beri ki bele ya baro kini ki kamkai kim biang pura ban long ki nong shong snong keri India bat yakani urakam mula the tenge halor ka jingthmu ban pelong ya ka yatra hasilong hak arterik urisau halor kini jingthmu jong ka Jyotish Pitha Dishwar Shankara Charya Avi Mukteshwaran da ban pelong ya ka yatra urakam mula ong ba kiladon ki Kynhun ki bala berthen ban pelong da ka Tamasa bam dok Masi Lada ka sarkar ka Jingbit yaki ban pelong ya ka yatra.
Every community, every religion, every individual. Do this constitution dropped by somebody? No. This has been dropped by a man like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, all this great leader of the nation, knowing of this beauty and the integrity of this great nation. So this is acceptable to all. So I think they are not Hindu. I don't think so. They are not Hindu.
Maybe politically inclined Hindu organization.
I don't think so. They are not fit to be Hindu because Hindu religion people they are mature people. They know how to respect other religion. Hindu religion. The true Hindu never hurt the sentiment of a religion of the people. I don't think they are not Hindu. I don't think so. They are Hindu. They are not. They are not Hindu. They are some kind of group. They are some. These people should be termed as extremists. I think so. They are not Hindu. I think so. They should understand why they want to have an unnecessary all these issues because most of the people are here Christians. Most of the people are used to eat beef. Making all this drama, making all this issue is unnecessary and this may lead to people will hurt the sentiment of our people. So I would request them not to have this kind of Tamasa, not to have all this kind of drama. I would advise them not to have this kind of program because otherwise understand the situation, understand the what you call beauty of this great nation and understand the environment of the people, right? So I would advise them, right? Why they want to create this kind of disharmony, whether it will have somebody's sentiment, right? So let them have the place where in a other state of the country where they can have this program wonderfully.